Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, maglalaro naman tayo ng Happy Heels Happy Heels Homicide. In this game, ikaw yung magiging murderer. Free lang to, kaya ito muna yung lalaruin ko. Wala pa ako pambili ng game. So ito muna, okay, new game. Edge of your seat. Directional buttons to move. Bed settling? Bruh. Hello birdie, red room. It's a murder. Bigat-bigat niya. Take ladder, okay. And then, panlagay daw dito yung ladder. Fly high. Ay! Ako yung murderer! Ako yung murderer! Ako yung natakot. Okay. Sakalin mo. Wala tayong pangsakal. Walang pangsakal. Wala tayong kamay. Wala tayong kutsilyo. Hanap tayo ng kutsilyo. Ayun. Open mo nga yung fridge. Ayaw. Paano pagkagagawa akong sandwich? Okay. I guess kailangan natin siyang patayin. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do? Z. Oh my god. Ooh. The Happy Heels Homicide. Oh my god. Feel mo yung bawat saksak na. Tape 2, Spark of Joy. Search the gnome. Parang na-stress ako na napatay ako ng tao. At least hindi ako yung pinapatay. Okay, so don't leave your keys kusan-san. Okay. Akyat tayo. Akyat bahay gang. Huh. Naging radio? What for? Gagawin ko sa radio. So, meron akong radio and then oh my god. Oh my god, like kukuryentehin siya. Lawn enforcement. Ano to? Lawnmower. Lawn mower. Okay. Where do we go? And what is this? A bear trap. Anong gagawin natin sa bear trap? Actually, murderer tayo, so we should start thinking like one. Okay, so ibe-bear trap ko to. Oh! Sige, gupit ka dyan, and then, set up. Tago! Takot na takot. Takot na takot yung murderer. Okay. So, come on. Ah! Take key. Oop. Take key ng lawnmower. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Rain of fire. Okay. Oh my god. It's raining. I know. Wala nga ulan eh. Kulog lang. Break window. Climb up. Nakatakot. Nagugulat ako dito sa... Uh-oh. Oh my god. Anong gagawin ko? I'm so scared. Let's go. Pasagin na. ganun. Kailangan natin sakto yung kulog. Pag gagalaw tayo. Okay, so wala pa si Doggy dito. Wala pa si Bantay. Okay. Oh my god. Ito na. Oh my god. Oh, I think it's working. So, hintayin. Oh! Like, hintayin natin kumulog. Oh! Ano to? Susi. Kaya to susi mo, bro. What do we have here? Mattress. Ano to? So, we have mattress and keys. So, wala pa tayong magawa. Hugasan mo yung kilikili mo. Baba muna tayo. Let's wait for the thunder. Natakot ako dun sa aso. Okay. I mean, I hope hindi natin madadama yung aso sa pagpatay. So we have gasoline and mattress. Go! Okay. Mattress, gasoline. Ligo ka sa gasoline. Ayaw. Wala. Boiler. So, boiler pala to. Whatever boiler is. Sorry lang, aming ganyan. Aming ganyan sa bahay namin. Filled boiler with filled boiler with gasoline. Okay, and then, so I guess boiler is saan yung tubig? I'm not sure. And then, shit. Shoot no. Shoot no. Shoot no. Damn. Pumapatay lang ba tayo basta kasi trip natin? Ano to? Get out of here. Paint. Okay. Somebody wants to win. The world is gonna run. I ain't the sharpest shooting the shit. Ano to? Get the hell out of here. Sorry po. Sorry naman. What do I do? Ooh, damn. Chainsaw. And then what? Meron pa rin siyang baril pagpasok ko. Pero paano gawin? May baril pa rin siya. So, pag burnay ko, palabas siya? Let's see. Hide! Okay. Pag-hide ako. Oh, okay. And then, kill. Happy Hills Vice? Oh. Morning, Brian. This is a messy one. Okay. Ang sarap naman ng donut mo. Pengi naman. Go inside. Ito yung bahay ng... Ooh, burger. Oh, I am wrath. Damn. Sick bastard. 16 stab wounds. Oh my gosh, 16 ba yun? Hindi ko na feel na 16. Feel ko like 100. Okay, so may dalawa pang evidence. The point of entry. And then ito yung nawawalang knife. Honestly, kung nabubukas lang yung fridge, hindi ko na siya pinatay. Okay. Gordon Baker, because of that 16 stab wounds. criminal record, production and distribution of underage pornography, stalking playgrounds. What the? What the heck? You're nasty. Killer takes murder weapon from victim's house. Sadistic power display. No signs of struggle. Random victim or carefully chosen. Don't think personally. Don't take things personally, guys. English pa kasi. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I'm guessing hindi ako makikita pagka wala yung ilaw. Okay. Run. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so hintayin natin dumaan yun. And then, let's go. Go. Happy Hills Cargo. Door locked. Ooh. Okay, hintayin natin dumaan tong ilaw. And then, we're gonna get that thing. Crowbar? Yeah, crowbar. Run. Break in. Oh. Ooh. Go inside. Happy Hills Cargo. Lo. Ooh, sleeping boy. Turn off my alarm. Ay, mapatayin. Ayaw pa niyang patayin. Mamaya na daw. Mamaya na lang. Di pa niya feel. Okay. Nail gun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Kasi gusto niya may nail gun. Bago niya patayin. Any last words? Oh my gosh, ito na naman. Oh! One more? Oh my god, one more? Yikes! God damn, naubos! Oh my god, naubos. Don't drop the soap. Don't drop the soap, bruh. Oh! Hi! Fuck off! No mascots. Good damn, grabe naman siya. Grabe ang sungit. Babalikan kita, mahalo. What in the tushy? Ay na lang to, bruh. Imagine mo, may nanonood sa'yo lang ang pake. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I have the suit. Happy Hills Hawks. Bro, kilala mo na ako, bro. Pre, buhat ka lang dyan. Take soap. Ew. Okay. So, meron na ako soap. Nakuha ko na yung soap, pre. Ibigay ko doon sa naliligo. Tapos, sabihan kita, signalan kita pag nahulog niya na. Okay. Okay. Base soap. Tapos, ano to? Push bench. Ito. Tapos, fire. Oh, what the? What the heck? Oh, I did not expect it. Oh! Oh, what? Meron akong helmet, pre. Naka-helmet ako, pre. Nalaban sa akin. Just relax. Naway ako. Na-stress ako. Go inside. Ano meron dito? Ano daw to? Anong lugar to? Office? Oh. Meron na namang nag-iwan ng burger. Anong klaseng burger ba yan? Angel's Burger. Anong favorite yung burger? Ako, favorite kong burger. Ano nga ba pinakamasarap na burger? Dami ko pang di natikman. Alam ko lang Burger McDo. Wait. Kailangan kong pag-isipan to. Punta natin yung burger. Ano ang pinakamasarap na burger na natikman nyo na? Masarap yung Aloha Burger kasi mahilig ako sa pineapple. Meron ako natikman dati. Pinakamasarap na burger. Big B Burgers sa Maginhawa siya dati. Tapos nawala na. Para kasi yung burger patties nila, merong bacon na nakahalo sa patty mismo. Tapos homemade ata yung mga sauce nila. Tapos masarap and quality. Pero nawala na sila. So, oh well, kailangan ko maghanap pa ng mga ibang masasarap na burger. So, kung meron kayong meron kayong suggestions ng pinakamasarap na burger, sabihin nyo dito sa clown na to. Okay, let's go. Ako natakot. Okay. Okay, wait. So, di na nakikita. Kasi may shadow. Okay. Wait, wala pang pampatay. Right. May burger na naman dun. I guess I just have to continue here. Okay, ano yung gamitin ko pang patay sa kanya? What if yung necktie niya? Oh, ayun. Ayun, there's an axe. Fire axe. And then ayun. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's just good. Oh my goodness. Number 1 fan. Haunted house. Oh wait, bagay ako dito. Kasi naka-costume na ako. Gosh. You're late. Go to work, dude. Oh my god, akala nila nga nagwo-work ako dito. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So this is Jason, yung pinakataas. Tapos ito si Scream Dude. And then si Mariah Carey. Wait, ano yung pangalan niya? Pero kilala ko yan. Kaklase ko yan no high school. Iniisip ko pa rin ano pangalan niya. Stop track. Where are we stopping? Kasi ayaw nyo papasukin kanina. Then what? Up the stairs. Screw. What? Actually, hindi ko na alam. Ah! Screw fan. Oh my gosh. And then what? And then what? Oh, is this part of the ride? Oh my gosh. It's trying to kill us. Ah! Ayaw niya umalis. I think kaya niya. Kaya niya naman ata umalis. Oh! Fix malfunction. Ah! Technical difficulties. Please wait. Okay. Oh, ano to? What? Toot. Toot. Okay. Okay. Lock. Let's go. Sana di pa rin kayo gumalaw dyan. Imuko na lang kayo. Ganun na. Iuko kayo ganun. Lights out. Michael Myers. Nalala ko na yung kaklase ko ng high school. Pick window. He already killed Tyler and he will come for us now for sure. Let's waste this family friendly. Family friendly tayo. Family friendly lang tong to. Palabas na to. Wait, pwede ba ito sa YouTube? Climb up. Parang ayoko pa. Wait. Maghanap pa ako dito. See? Ay, door lock. I guess papasok pa tayo. Climb. Ooh, quiet ka lang. Where are you? Fuck off. Climb out. binaril ka, tatagos lang. I'm not an expert. Oh, what? Okay. I know you're there, asshole. Oh my god. I know you're there, asshole. Pinigay susi. Ano to? Ano yun? May something dun sa ibabaw. Okay. Ooh, damn. Okay, so, open the door. Take the ladder. Saan lalagay ito? Actually, sinasabi naman ng game kung paano laruin. Okay, climb up. Oh my gosh! And then what? I need something para mampatay. I mean, I'm already here. I just have something that will go through sa kanya. Go through sa wall, right? Pera ba to? Maybe you have something? Hindi pa rin mo? No? Yung ladder! Dito ko gagamitin yung ladder. Okay. Talino ko. Mr. Brain Cells. Miss Worldwide. Mrs. Einstein ng Mr. Brain Cells. Ano daw? Promil kid. Sorry na. Ito, take machete. Ayun. Okay. Wait. Kunin mo to. Tapos, baba ka. Tapos, punta ka dun sa labas. Lagay mo yung... Ay, sumubra. Lagay mo yun. Tapos, sakit ka. Tapos, ayan o. Para ka ng si ano. The Shining. Here's Johnny. Oh, she's a queen. Oh. Sorry. Asan yung soap? Natanggal na siya. Happy Hills Vice. Parang ang luwag sa pakiramdam pag hindi na ikaw yung murderer. Okay, pero sarap na donut mo, pre. Morning Brian has the murder burned alive. Oh, ito yun. Ito yung boiler. Hanap ito, point of entry, see? Rip cloth. Must be the killer. Sasan kaya yung doggy? Grabe, nasisi pa yung doggy. I am retribution. Burned alive, some sort of statement? Take a picture, bro. Victim name, Hank Wallace. Cause of death, burned alive. Criminal record, drunk driving and arson. No basic murder weapon. Killer is creative and sadistic, enjoys killing. I don't enjoy killing. Rib claw belongs to a janitor suit, no DNA matches. Another message in blood, I am retribution. Looks like acts of revenge. Does the killer know the victims? Again, sa pagiging murderer. Death from below. Ooh. Oh. Submerge. Oh, resurface. Okay. But, bakit pati itong old dude? Ah! Ah! Bro? Ah! What the heck? Ah! Oh, 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 oh. Huli niya ako. Kala niya ma-shokoy. Ba't in the shokoy? Si Jezabel. Wow! Ilang beses niya na ako nahuli. Oh. Ah. Okay. Ah, grabe, hirap mag-concentrate na. Ano to? Harpoon. Harpoon. Hindi pa like kailangan mo something. Okay, so yung killer, pumapatay siya ng mga criminal, I don't know, convicted ba sila or something? Well, anyway, may record sila. So, ano naman ang ginawa ng matandang to? Hindi ako magiging killer kasi ang hirap nito. Hindi ko kayang i-hold yung breath ko. Kill with the harpoon. Motel California. Bates Motel. Hindi ko pa napanood yun. Door locked. C13. Okay, so I'm assuming sarado silang lahat kasi laman nito. Wala. Oh, what the heck? Bakit walang taong nagbabantay kasi? Nakuha ko tuloy yung susi nyo. Okay. Oh, I have to go inside. No room service, thank you. Oh, sige. Ano tayo eh? Polite tayo. Take coat hanger. Ito, open natin si 12. What the heck? Ano to, the ring? Uy, the ring. Lalabas na yun. Lalabas na si Sada ko dyan. Okay, pero wala pa pamatay. Yung coat hanger ba yung pampatay ko? May police, may police. Turn off alarms. Good day, ayaw pa mahuli. Tago tayo. Ayaw. Okay. What now? Wait, ba't nag-iba yung music? What's happening? Okay, so natulog ka lang kasi enough ko yung alarm. So what? Kapatay kita with hanger? Ang dami naman nun. Although sa mata, medium rare. Let's go inside. We are closed. Get out. Get out. Go inside. What a freak. What the heck? Oh, wala lang to. Table lang to na lumalapit. Sorry, ulit. Eto, this time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time, I promise that we'll rise above it all. I will never let you fall. Maybe this time it will be love. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. Oh my god. I have to be more cautious now. ginawa niya? Burger yung guy. Niluto niya. Niluto niya. I don't know why ba. Sasabihin ko sana is like, I don't know why, pero I always wanna go left first. Tapos pagpunta sa left, merong guy na merong guy na nakatutok sa akin yung shotgun niya. Paano mag-jump? Bro? Paano mag-jump, bro? Damn raccoons, get lost. Take break. Okay. Okay. And then, gagamitin ko tong rig para i-disable yung trap. There we go. Shoot! Disable trap. Daming ibon. Okay. Happy hay. Galing. Hay 2000. Okay, and then take pitchfork. Nalagay ko. Write this. Start bale maker. Hide! Where will I hide? Ay, kailangan na mag-isip this time. Kunin mo yung rake. Saan tayo pwede mag-hide? Disable. Ito na talaga, promise. Ito na, focus, 100% focus. Ito pa. Tapos, magsistart. Wait, kunin ko to. Okay. Tapos, start ko to. Tapos, magtatago ako dito. And then, I'm hiding. Tapos, hopefully, mapapatay ko siya. Oh my god. Midnight Stalker. See? Hindi. I am not cut out to be a murderer. Huh? Ano yun? May narinig ka? What? Oh, hell nah. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna move. And hindi mo ko mapapansin. Ay, nakita niya kaya ako. I think nakita niya ako. Pero, okay, so, bigyan ko siyang time. Bigyan ko siyang space. Time and space. Okay. Oh my god. Girl. Hide. Oh! Munti ka na ako dun. Okay. Girl, di ka ba kakabahan? What? Di ako nakatingin ah. Kalatalo. Wala, di ako nakatingin. Gusto niya yung medyo malayo, pero wag masyadong malapit. Alam mo yun? Nakatago ako sa car. Hide. Okay. gonna give you some distance. Okay. Sige lang. Masyado kang pahab. Take 5. Oh, man. Let's go. I'm sorry, bro. Freeze. Help! Help! Yung girl! Yung girl, pinapalaw ako dito. Don't you know, you bastard. Stay out of my way, detective. Help! Yung girl! Yung girl yun, you're under arrest. No, officer. I will only warn you once. I am dead. Oh. Nasa loob lang yun ng basura na yun. Wait. Sana nagpanggap na lang siya. Ito yung haystack. 8. Death. The thing with this murderer is kinda cringe siya. Kailan mo ba bibigyan ng donut? Hope your stomach can handle this. Oo nga eh. Ito kasi ayaw mamigay eh. Gutom na ako. Justice. May burger na naman. Ano sasab... Wow. Wow. Ang daming ibon. Sinasabi ko, the thing with that murderer is kind of cringe siya. He likes to kill creatively. Sadistic. Nothing can stop what they deserve. Death is their gift. Ooh. Damn. Pinakain siya dun. Coco Crunch. Ano yung story ng Coco Crunch? Kuha ko na ba ito? Ayan. Yung merong wheat field, tapos merong chocolate, tapos nakukulig sa wheat field yung chocolate, tapos boom! It became Coco Crunch. Coco Crunch. Bumbo Clat. Bill Max Sawyer. Cause of death. Bailmaker. Criminal record none. What? Hindi niya deserve mamatay din. The pale green. He could return for the girl Madison Carpenter. She will get protection. Sino si Madison? Victim has no criminal records. Why did the victim have to die? What is the connection between the victims? Why does he want revenge? No loose ends. Madison or Veronica, kung ano man tawag sa'yo, na forgot ko na. I'm gonna get ya. Huh? Wow, may pa-binoculars siya. Elm Street. Big chain. See, kaya kailangan lagi kang umiikot muna kasi may mga makuha kang gamit. Get in the car. Got the donuts, Dave. Ayaw niyo akong bigyan ng donut, ha? Ito ang bibigay ko sa iyo. Ah, ayan ang donut mo. Ah, papahingahin kita tapos sasakalin kita ulit. Hello? Okay, donut. Asa si Dave. Lagi niyo na lang inuubusan ng donut. Hindi niyo ako bibigyan. I'm sorry, bro. Madison. Wait, ito ba yung bahay nung nauna? I guess parang IKEA house. Madison. Wait, hanap pa tayo ng stuff. sa pool. Good name. Serve mo ba to, Madison? I'm sorry, Madison. You were the only kind one. Then, bakit mo pinatay, bro? Why did you have to run? What? The heck? What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? Saint Hill Hospital. Ah, the therapy clown. Welcome. I feel so welcome here. Door lock. Go inside. Padoy. Huwag tayo magpapakita dun sa totoong clown. Actually, parang wala naman sa kanya. Like, not in my paycheck. Surgery room. Ayaw niya nang magulo. Therapy clown na nga siya. Okay. Punta tayo. Surgery room. Okay. Nasa. Ooh. Hey, kunin mo to. Ayaw mo. Ayaw mo cosplay. Cosplay. Hello, just the therapy crown. Understood, Dr. Hawkins. Oh. Oy. Ikaw yun. Go inside. Surgeons only. Oh my gosh. Walang tumitingin ng wanted poster. Masyadong busy kasi yung mga masyadong busy ang mga tao dito para may pake. Ayan, gusto niya na mag-cosplay. What? Oh. Sorry, bud. He's gonna go under surgery soon. Door lock. Dr. Hawkins. Uy, ang laki ko pala. Oh. Hey, Larry, new haircut. Do I look like Larry to you? Anyway. Defibrillator. Anyway, alam ko lang yun sa para ma-revive din sa ano tawag din sa game na yun, may mga zombie. Sila Ellis. Pasok na ako. Left for dead. May defibrillator. Pull the plug. Hide. Okay, so magpa-flatline siya. Tapos papunta si doktor. And then i-click. What? So that's what it does. Metal militia? Ooh, big bite. Why big boys? Parang gusto ko na sinigang. Power off. And then what? Climb up. Oh, what the heck? It's too dark. Looking for me, asshole. Get him, boys. Oh, ano? Tara dito. Ano ka? Namatay ako! Shit! Get him, boys! What the? Unahan mo sila. Speed, bro. Speed. Panginang kapatid ka na. Ano? Nawala. Okay, so nawawala na hindi forever. Tara, bro. Ito na. Let's go. Woo! Tara. Ano lang ako? Nonchalant. Ooh. Dito ako. Ooh. 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 Ano, ha? Yan na. Tara. Come at me, bro. Ano? Ooh. Ano? Sino ta? Last na to. Ooh. Ano? Sino next? Ikaw? Ikaw na ata last. Hindi pa. Ilan ba kami, bro? Useless idiots. Oh my god, tara dito, bro. Back off, it wasn't me. Ooh. Musika! Wait. Dapat tatapinahin natin siya. Dapat tatapinahin natin siya. It wasn't me. Kill him all. Kill him all. Wait, what does he mean by it wasn't him? Oh, yun nasa gitna. Bro. And let's go to the mall. Today. Oof. Wait. We're just... Okay, you got me. Flashbang out. I'm not gonna lie. They got me. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. He's gone. Spread out. So at one point, alam nila na papatayin ko yung guy na janitor, the guy dito sa mall. Nanonood yung Kitty. Si Kitty. Ew. Ooh. What? Oh. Ooh. Hide again. I think I should go. Should I stay or should I go? Come on, you gotta let me know. Hide again. And then, papatay ulit tayo dito. Feel ko. 3, 2, 1, wala. So, you gotta let me know. Ew, bro. Should I stay or should I go? Larry's Toys. Great luck. Go inside. Hide. Yeah. Hindi ako nag-isip. They got me. They got me good. Okay. Let them all go. Oof. Oof. How do I do this? Okay. Hide. Oh, namatay yung isa doon. Saan kaya galing yun? Wait. Hindi ako ready. Kill. What? Like, just press on. Wait. Hide. Okay. Like, bro, nakita mo na yung dalawang bodies mo nandun. I think there's one more. Okay. Let's go, buddy. Okay. So, dyan ako galing. I could hide here, but I didn't. I could hide there, but I didn't. So, dito. Dito, so I go upstairs. Door locked. Ooh, it's Catwoman. I don't know, just a cat. So done with this bullshit. Ooh. Damn, bro. What the heck? Happy Hills Vice. God damn. Oh, ikaw yung di namigay ng donut eh. I'm sorry. Ay, buhay ka pa? Fell to her death. What? Oh, hell no. Akin na yung donut mo. Oh, hell no. Oof. I mean, remorse. Was this an accident? Like, to be eating habang may gantong klaseng murder? Ooh, a picture. A class group photo of Madison West Pine High. Huh. Wait a minute. These are most of the victims. That school burned down a year ago. Sorry, nadigay ako. This all connects. All victims went to West Pine High or had a job there. That school burned down a year ago due to unknown reasons. June 30th, 1982. Everyone made it out alive but one. The janitor, John Wade. His body was never found. Could the killer be John Wade, out on revenge? Does he blame the victims for his death? He did seem to like Madison. Why did he hate all the others? The school does still exist, untouched for a year. I'm going to check it out. Ooh. June 30th, 1982. Oh, we have flashback now. Wait, janitor na siya nun, right? Ew. May nakaiwan ba ng lunchbox? Go inside. Did you leave a disgusting gift again, John? Oh, ikaw yung una kong pinatay, right? Yeah, I'm gonna freaking kill you. Oh, kaya yun. Yung nandun sa ano. Sa amusement park. Wait, ikaw yung sinaksak ko. See, I remember all the victims. Ew, gross. Bitch. Stay out of the teacher's lounge, you freak. You! Sino ka? I can't even remember you. Go clean the toilets, you idiot. Oh, and yung soap dudes. Wait. Soap dudes or yung dudes dun sa house? Yung pinatay ng machete and yung tumalbog yung bala. Hey, weirdo, clean this shit up. Madison! Morning, Mr. Wade. Loved your gift. Thank you. Gift? You're giving gifts to students? What a freaking creep. Leave that girl alone, asshole. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably right. No, he's right. Oh, gee, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with Madison, aren't I? And then mayroon siyang clown mask. You're my best friend, Madison. My friend. Oh, wait, I can't move. It's burning! I'm burning! Dude, you're setting the whole place on fire. Shit, man, just wanted to mess with him. Do we help the freak? Who cares, bro? Let's get out of here. Someone help me. Help! Help! Oh. Meet your maker. Damn. Wait, andun yung TV. Meet your man. Take bear trap. Go inside. Wait, matatrap ba ako? Okay, hindi. Set bear trap, set bear trap, set bear trap. Set bear trap, set bear trap. Grab a weapon. Wait, my weapon is yun nandun sa nasa kwarto kanina. Was I reading newspapers bago siya pumasok? Okay. 5 minutes earlier. Oh, now I play the detective. So I know merong mga bear trap. Come out here, freak. Damn. Go inside. Ah! Wait! Wait, what? How do I evade trap? Evade trap. Evade trap. 4. This must be where he is living. Made videotapes of his kills. Sick bastard. Looks like he went through that vent. Looks like he went through that vent. Probably, dun din siya nakatakas last time. I'm coming for you, detective. Ooh. Ooh, what's up? Ah! Okay, I have to focus. Oh my god, how many shots? Ito na, last na to. Hindi na ako mamamatay. Focus, bro. Nakikita ko lang si John Wade. All I could see is John Wade. Gotcha, bro. Ooh. Kaya ko yan. Ooh. Hindi pa? Kaya mo pa? Para. Ooh, para dito, bro. Kaya ko yan. Ooh. Bro. Bitch. Nabaliw na. That's what you deserve. I'm sorry to tell you this, Mr. Kowalski, but the body is gone. The body is what now? What? Happy Hills Homicide. God damn. Made by Daniel Welding. Nice. Thank you for playing. The end? Oh, hello there. Nandun siya. Oh. Just like the meme. Maganda yung meme. Hindi mo malalaman na yun na pala yung balak gawin ng murderer. That's it for today. Leave a like if nagustuhan yung video. Comment kayo kung ano yung pinakamasarap na burger na natikman nyo na and I'm gonna try it. I hope you enjoyed yung Happy Hills Homicide. If you do, leave a like. See you in the next transmission. Pretty good. Bye bye!